10 most beautiful countries in Europe. Welcome to our journey through the breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage of Europe. From charming medieval towns to majestic mountain ranges, Europe offers a diverse tapestry of beauty that captivates every traveler. In this article, we present the 10 most beautiful countries in Europe, each one boasting its unique charm and allure. So, pack your bags, and let's embark on a visual feast of Europe's natural wonders and architectural marvels. Number 1. Italy. Italy, located in southern Europe, is a country renowned for its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the romantic canals of Venice and the picturesque Amalfi Coast, Italy offers a diverse range of experiences for travelers. The country is known for its exquisite cuisine, with pasta, pizza, gelato, and espresso being some of its culinary delights. Italy is also home to iconic landmarks such as the Colosseum, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and the Vatican City with its famous St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel. The art and architecture of Italy are celebrated worldwide, with masterpieces by Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Botticelli adorning its museums and galleries. Whether you're exploring the charming streets of Florence, admiring the beauty of the Tuscan countryside, or indulging in the romantic ambience of the city of Verona, Italy offers a captivating blend of history, art, and natural beauty that continues to enchant visitors from around the globe. Number 2. France. France, situated in Western Europe, is a country known for its rich history, exquisite cuisine, and artistic heritage. From the iconic Eiffel Tower in Paris to the sun-soaked beaches of the French Riviera, France offers a diverse range of experiences for travelers. The country is celebrated for its world-class art museums, including the Louvre, which houses the famous Mona Lisa, and the Musée d'Orsay, home to a remarkable collection of Impressionist masterpieces. France's picturesque countryside, such as the rolling vineyards of Bordeaux and the lavender fields of Provence, captivate with their natural beauty. The French gastronomy is renowned worldwide, with mouth-watering dishes like escargots, foie gras, and crème brûlée. The country also boasts charming villages, such as Saint-Tropez and Saint-Malo, which exude a timeless charm and offer glimpses into traditional French life. Whether you're strolling along the grand boulevards of Paris, exploring the historic chateaux of the Loire Valley, or savoring a croissant at a café in Nice, France enchants visitors with its blend of sophistication, culture, and joie de vivre. Number 3. Switzerland. Switzerland, nestled in the heart of the Alps in Central Europe, is a country renowned for its pristine natural beauty, efficient infrastructure, and rich cultural heritage. From the majestic Swiss Alps with their snow-capped peaks to the crystal-clear lakes and charming alpine villages, Switzerland offers a breathtaking landscape at every turn. The country is known for its exceptional quality of life and commitment to sustainability, making it an ideal destination for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Visitors can explore world-famous ski resorts like Zermatt and St. Moritz, hike through picturesque mountain trails, or embark on scenic train journeys such as the Glacier Express or the Bernina Express. Switzerland is also home to cosmopolitan cities like Zurich, Geneva, and Lucerne, which blend modernity with a deep-rooted appreciation for art, history, and Swiss traditions. Swiss cuisine delights with its cheese fondue, chocolate, and Swiss watches are coveted worldwide for their precision and craftsmanship. Whether you're skiing in the winter, hiking in the summer, or simply immersing yourself in the country's tranquil beauty, Switzerland offers an enchanting and idyllic escape from the bustling world. Number 4. Greece. Greece, located in southeastern Europe, is a country that encompasses a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. Known as the birthplace of Western civilization, Greece is steeped in ancient mythology and boasts a wealth of archaeological sites that transport visitors back in time. From the iconic ruins of the Acropolis in Athens to the mystical sanctuary of Delphi, Greece offers a captivating glimpse into its glorious past. Beyond its historical treasures, Greece boasts a diverse landscape that ranges from stunning coastlines with crystal-clear waters to rugged mountains and charming villages. The Greek islands, including Santorini, Mykonos, and Crete, beckon travelers with their picturesque landscapes and idyllic beaches. Greek cuisine is a delight for the senses, with flavorful dishes like moussaka, souvlaki, and baklava that tantalize the taste buds. The warmth and hospitality of the Greek people add an extra layer of charm to this enchanting country. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, basking in the sun on a pristine beach, or indulging in delicious Greek cuisine, Greece offers a truly unforgettable experience that lingers in the hearts of its visitors long after they have departed. Number 5. Norway. Norway, located in the stunning landscapes of Scandinavia, is a country that captivates with its breathtaking natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. Known for its majestic fjords, snow-capped mountains, and shimmering northern lights, Norway is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. The fjords, such as the UNESCO-listed Geirangerfjord and Narrowifjord, offer awe-inspiring views and the opportunity to cruise through deep blue waters flanked by towering cliffs. Norway's pristine national parks, including Hardangervidda and Jotunheimen, boast magnificent hiking trails that lead to hidden waterfalls, alpine lakes, and panoramic vistas. The iconic city of Bergen, with its colorful wooden houses, historic waterfront, and the UNESCO-listed Bryggen, offers a charming blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. Tromsø, known as the gateway to the Arctic, offers a chance to witness the ethereal northern lights dancing across the sky during the winter months. Norway's rich cultural heritage is celebrated through its traditional stave churches, the indigenous Sami culture, and its deep-rooted connection to the sea, as evidenced by its fishing villages and maritime history. With its natural wonders and cultural treasures, Norway beckons adventurers to explore its wonders and immerse themselves in the enchanting beauty of the Scandinavian wilderness. Number 6. Croatia. Croatia, situated along the stunning Adriatic coastline in southeastern Europe, is a country that seamlessly blends history, natural beauty, and vibrant culture. With its medieval cities, picturesque islands, and crystal-clear waters, Croatia has become a sought-after destination for travelers from around the world. Dubrovnik, known as the Pearl of the Adriatic, enchants visitors with its ancient city walls, cobblestone streets, and Baroque architecture. Split, home to the UNESCO-listed Diocletian's Palace, offers a unique blend of Roman ruins and modern-day charm. The Plitvice Lakes National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a natural wonderland with cascading waterfalls, turquoise lakes, and lush forests. Croatia's islands, including Hvar, Korčula, and Brač, boast pristine beaches, charming fishing villages, and a laid-back Mediterranean atmosphere. The country's rich history is showcased through its well-preserved Roman ruins, Venetian architecture, and picturesque hilltop towns like Rovinj and Trogir. Croatian cuisine delights with its fresh seafood, hearty stews, and flavorful wines. Whether you're exploring ancient cities, island hopping along the Dalmatian coast, or simply enjoying the beauty of Croatia's natural landscapes, the country offers a diverse and unforgettable travel experience. Number 7. Iceland. Iceland, a land of fire and ice, is a country that truly captivates with its otherworldly landscapes and natural wonders. Located in the North Atlantic Ocean, this Nordic island nation is known for its dramatic volcanic terrain, stunning glaciers, and mesmerizing geothermal activity. Iceland's landscapes are diverse and awe-inspiring, from the cascading waterfalls of Gullfoss and Skogafoss to the black sand beaches of Reynistera and the geothermal hot springs of the Blue Lagoon. The country is also home to some of the world's most spectacular natural phenomena, including the mesmerizing northern lights that illuminate the night sky during winter. Iceland's unique geology allows for thrilling experiences such as hiking on glaciers, exploring lava caves, and bathing in natural hot springs. The capital city of Reykjavik offers a vibrant and creative atmosphere, with a flourishing art scene, modern architecture, and a lively nightlife. Beyond the city, Iceland's remote and untouched landscapes beckon adventurers to explore the untamed wilderness, with opportunities for hiking, horseback riding, and even spotting whales and puffins along the rugged coastlines. Iceland's commitment to environmental sustainability and preserving its natural heritage adds to the country's allure, making it a truly extraordinary destination for those seeking unforgettable experiences and a deep connection with nature. Number 8. Spain. Spain, located on the Iberian Peninsula in southwestern Europe, is a country that exudes passion, rich history, and diverse culture. From the vibrant streets of Barcelona to the charming alleys of Seville and the sun-drenched beaches of the Costa del Sol, Spain offers a captivating blend of modernity and tradition. The country is renowned for its architectural marvels, such as the surreal works of Antoni Gaudí in Barcelona, the grandeur of the Alhambra in Granada, and the magnificent Gothic cathedrals found throughout the land. Spain's culinary scene is a feast for the senses, with tapas, paella, and sangria representing just a taste of the delectable delights to be savored. The country's festivals, like the lively running of the bulls in Pamplona and the exuberant flamenco performances in Seville, showcase Spain's passion for celebration and artistry. Spain's natural beauty is equally captivating, with the rugged landscapes of the Pyrenees, the pristine beaches of the Balearic Islands, and the breathtaking cliffs of the Canary Islands. Whether you're exploring the medieval streets of Toledo, immersing yourself in the artistic heritage of Madrid's museums, or indulging in the relaxed beach lifestyle of Ibiza, Spain offers a diverse and vibrant tapestry of experiences that enchant travelers from all walks of life. Number 9. Ireland. Ireland, the Emerald Isle, is a country of stunning landscapes, rich history, and warm hospitality. Located on the westernmost edge of Europe, this island nation captivates with its rugged coastlines, rolling green hills, and ancient castles. From the vibrant streets of Dublin to the breathtaking cliffs of Moher and the mystical landscapes of the Giant's Causeway, Ireland offers a journey through enchanting beauty. The country is steeped in history and folklore, with ancient ruins like the Rock of Cashel and Newgrange dating back thousands of years. Ireland's vibrant cultural scene is celebrated through its traditional music, lively festivals, and friendly locals who welcome visitors with open arms. The picturesque villages of Galway, Dingle, and Kilkenny exude charm and provide a glimpse into the traditional Irish way of life. Irish cuisine delights with its hearty stews, freshly caught seafood, and, of course, a pint of Guinness in a cozy pub. For those seeking outdoor adventures, Ireland's landscapes offer endless opportunities for exploration, whether it's hiking through the mystical landscapes of the Wicklow Mountains or exploring the serene beauty of Connemara National Park. As you journey through Ireland, you'll be captivated by its breathtaking beauty, immersed in its rich history, and touched by the warmth and friendliness of its people. Ireland truly leaves a lasting impression on all who visit, inviting them to return time and time again to uncover its hidden treasures. Number 10. Austria. Austria, nestled in the heart of Europe, is a country that effortlessly combines breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and a vibrant cultural scene. From the majestic peaks of the Austrian Alps to the elegant streets of Vienna, Austria offers a diverse range of experiences for visitors. The country is renowned for its Baroque architecture, with magnificent palaces and cathedrals adorning the cities. Vienna, the capital, is a treasure trove of art and music, with iconic landmarks like the Schönbrunn Palace and the Vienna State Opera. Salzburg, the birthplace of Mozart, enchants with its charming old town and the imposing Hohensalzburg fortress. Austria's natural beauty is equally captivating, with picturesque lakes like Wolfgangsee and Hallstatt providing serene settings for relaxation and outdoor activities. The Alps offer world-class skiing in winter and breathtaking hiking trails in summer, with regions like Tyrol and Vorarlberg attracting outdoor enthusiasts from around the globe. Austria's culinary delights are not to be missed, with traditional dishes like Wiener Schnitzel, Sachertorte, and apple strudel tantalizing the taste buds. The country's commitment to preserving its cultural heritage is evident in its numerous music festivals, including the world-famous Salzburg Festival, where classical music and opera take center stage. Austria's warm and welcoming atmosphere, combined with its stunning landscapes and rich cultural offerings, make it a destination that truly delights the senses and leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. As our journey through Europe's most beautiful countries comes to an end, we hope you've been inspired to explore these captivating destinations. Whether you seek cultural immersion, natural wonders, or architectural marvels, Europe has something to offer everyone. So, pack your sense of adventure and embark on a voyage that will leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime.